to fix this problem, what you have to do is to search for the app. Use your finger to tap on the app for some while. This is going to pop up, and just tap on app info. So when you tap on app info, you're going to be in this section. What you have to do when you get over here is to tap on permission. Make sure these permissions are allowed. Go back and tap on notifications. Make sure this is turned on, which is the show notification. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you tap on background data. Make sure this is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back and tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go back and go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, try to tap over here to get the latest update of this app. So after updating this app, what you have to do is to just try to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and get your device restart. So after fixing this problem, or after restarting your device, this problem is going to be fixed. So when this is still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. Now tap on network and internet, tap on mobile network, select the network type. Then after that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced and scroll, tap on preferred network type and select 4G/3G/2G or 2. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, restart it, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.